एमपीटीत जावपी कोळशा प्रदूषणाक मंत्री विजय सरदेसायान विरोध उक्तायला. तशेंच जनसुनावणे उपरांत कोळशाचेर निर्णय थारतलो म्हण मंत्री सरदेसाय उलयला. आयज जनता कोळशा प्रदूषणाक लागून रस्त्यार आयल्या ते योग्य आसा, कारण अति जाला म्हणूनच जनतेन हाच्या आड आवाज काडला म्हण तांणी मुखार सांगला. आरडीएक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनाली.
कोलाचे आमचे म्हणणे आहे की वी आर अगेन्स्ट पोल्यूशन. द गव्हर्नमेंट इज व्हेरी क्लियर दॅट वी विल नॉट अलाउ पोल्यूशन. Anybody who is polluting will be brought down with a heavy hand. This is the stand of the government. What we are trying to say is that the environment impact assessment hearings, whatever are going on, is being done not by the government of Goa. It is being done by a central government agency. The government stand is let the hearings go on. Let that agency decide. It is not us. But we will ensure that there is no pollution happening either by Adani or by Jindal or anybody. No, people are against because as of now people have suffered pollution. People are not wrong. I feel the people are objecting are also right. Because they have suffered pollution, they are objecting.
Okay.
Why they suffered pollution? Because this was open handling of coal happened. Open handling is bad, which is why pollution happens. You have to handle it in a closed way. Then perhaps pollution will be prevented. But let us see, why jump the gun? Let the environment impact assessment hearings get over. Permission should not be given for open handling.
Open handling. Closed handling, you are okay.
Iron ore should not be allowed.
No, but
because open handling causes pollution.
So,
this is my personal opinion. No, closed handling, there should be guidelines. No, closed handling has not been not occurring in MPT for so long. So we'll have to create a new system for closed handling. We are in favor of that.